Assalamualaikum grade 9. We meet again. And as usual, before we start the lesson, let's pray first. Okay, let's pray together ya. Pray starts now. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Robbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Okay, we continue our discussion about module 4. Since last week we already discussed module 4 until page 37. So now we just continue the next lesson, yeah. Still in module 4. Okay, next. You can read here. And then you need to find the collocation. I mean the apa ya, kata bantuannya gitu. Ya, contoh. Di sini ada contoh-contohnya. So you can see here. Ada a bag of apples. Ya, jadi maksudnya gini. Kalau apel itu kan biasanya kita nggak bisa pakai a piece of apple karena apel itu bukan selembar, bukan satuan. Jadi kita bisa bilangnya a bag of. Ada lagi bits of. Ini sebenarnya small bit of metal. Metal itu tidak bisa yang dibilangnya 1 metal, 2 metal, 3 metal. Ya kan? Jadi kita pakainya small bits. Kalau besar berarti large of metal. Oke, kita juga nggak bisa pakai much karena metal itu bukan benda yang bisa dihitung gitu. Oke, ada lagi yang namanya pieces of. Paper itu nggak bisa kita pakainya slice of paper, makanya kita pakainya piece of paper. Nah, ini semua yang namanya collocation-nya, ya, kata gabungannya. Oke, next. Nah, ini dia. A bag of paper, a piece of mana tadi? Oh, a bag of apples, a piece of paper, a bit of metal, a group of people, a pile of firewood. Pile itu tumpukan, ya. Firewood itu kan kayu. Jadi kan kalau kayu-kayu bakar itu ditumpuk ya. Jadi a pile of firewood, a cup of coffee. Kita isi ya. Okay, so a bag of apple, a piece of paper, a bit of metal, a group of people, a pile of firewood, a cup of coffee, a slice of toast. Toast itu roti. Roti itu kan bisa per slice ya. Nah, ini these words you can see from the previous story, dari cerita yang barusan kita baca. Ya. On page 87. 38. Okay. Next. Next, itu we learn about such, so, and that. Ada so that sama such or that. Oke. Okay. So that itu expresses a cause and effect. Menggambarkan atau menjelaskan penyebab dan akibatnya. Dia begini, karena dia begini maka so ya, so that atau such that exercise. Nah, contohnya, I was so sleepy. Saya ngantuk. That I couldn't. Karena jadi so that itu penyebabnya ngantuk karena apa gitu ya. Ada cause and effect-nya. Nah, ini contohnya. Penyebabnya adalah it was too windy karena berangin. Efeknya nggak bisa pergi berlayar. Jadi it was so windy that we couldn't go sailing. Jadi so-nya dulu, so-nya itu isinya penyebabnya, baru that-nya karena isinya efeknya. Penyebabnya my sister is very shy. Efeknya she hides behind my mother when there are strangers around. My sister is so shy that she hides behind my mother when there are strangers around. Oke. Sama juga, cause-nya the dress was wonderfully designed. Efeknya I couldn't take my eyes off of it. Penyebabnya dulu abis so, penyebabnya dulu baru that, efeknya, akibatnya. The dress was so wonderfully designed that I couldn't take my eyes off it. Okay, next. So that used with quantifier. Ada many, ada much, ada few, ada little. I have so many friends that I never get bored. Bisa juga pakai much. He has so much money that he can buy whatever he wants. Ingat ya, so that itu dipakainya ada efeknya, ada cause-nya. So, cause, that, effect gitu ya. So, abis so, penyebabnya dulu, baru that-nya, akibatnya. Sekarang gimana kalau such? Di halaman 39, you will see this one. Okay. Also expresses a cause and effect. Kalau tadi, so that, itu cuma satu. So, kenapa? Baru that-nya kenapa? Kalau ini, such plus adjective plus noun, baru plus that. Contoh. Cause-nya, it was a great movie. Efeknya, I watched it several times. It is such a great movie that I have watched it several times. Jadi ada adjektifnya, ada noun-nya gitu ya tadi ya. Contohnya di sini nih. Ada adjektif, ada noun. Kalau tadi, kalau so that, itu tidak dipisahkan. Boleh, kita lihat lagi. So windy, cuma satu adjektif. So shy, cuma satu. So wonderfully, cuma satu. Wonderfully design itu merupakan satu kesatuan ya. Nggak bisa kita bilang so wonderfully. Kalau mau so wonderful. The dress was so wonderful. Jadi kalau so itu cuma satu. Tapi kalau such, dia ada adjektifnya dan ada noun-nya. Ada kata sifatnya dan ada kata bendanya. Great movie. Great itu adjektif, movie-nya noun. Kita lagi contoh berikutnya. She is a very charming woman. Everybody stares at her. She is such a charming woman. Charming-nya itu adjektif, woman-nya noun. That everybody stares at her. Ya, tidak bisa such a very charming. Kenapa? Karena charming woman itu sudah merupakan menunjukkan bahwa dia sudah sangat atau very. Jadi kita tidak perlu menambahkan very. Kalau kita pakai such a very charming woman, artinya kita menggunakan dua adjektif di situ. Oke, next. Kita coba ya, we try to do this one. Ini oke, ini page 39. It was such an easy exam that everybody got 100. It was an easy exam, everybody got 100. The exam was so easy, jadi boleh pakai such, boleh pakai so easy. Contohnya begini. Ingat setelah such, itu dia pasti ada dua. Ada adjektifnya, ada noun-nya. Tapi kalau so, itu cuma satu, adjektif aja. Jadi kalau pakai such, teman-teman harus pakai dua. Adjective and noun. Tapi kalau so aja, cuma satu, adjektif aja. Kita coba ya, number 2. Kalau mau pakai such, the party was noisy, the neighbors complained. The party wait. The party such it is such a noisy party that the neighbors complain. Ada noisy-nya adjektif, ada partinya noun. Oke. Gimana sekarang kalau misalnya kita pakainya so? Kita coba ya. Number 2. The party was noisy. The party so noisy that the neighbors complain. Okay. Number 3. It was a good hotel. We decided to stay there. It was such a good hotel. Ada dua, ada adjektif, ada noun-nya, that we stay there. Boleh ditambahin we decided to stay there. Boleh. Oke. Kalau pakai so gimana? The hotel so good that we stay Oke, jadi ingat kalau pakai such dia ada dua, ada adjektif sama ada noun. Tapi kalau so aja cuma adjektif aja. The film was sad, I cried. The film so sad that I cried. Oke. Nah, selanjutnya teman-teman bisa bikin sendiri. Nomor 4 juga bisa pakai such. Oke. You can change it with such. Oke, next ya. Can we listen this one? Wait.
Module 4, Unit 12, Exercise 2. Read, listen to the dialogue. Check your guesses for Exercise 1.
Rashid goes to the mall during his lunch break.
Excuse me. Yes, can I help you? Well, I bought this bracelet last week for my wife. I'm afraid there's a problem with it. Really? What's that? Well, the first time she wore it, it broke. I think the clasp is not holding. I'm terribly sorry about that. Let me have a look at it. It's made by hand, so it's very delicate. Have you got a receipt, please? Yes, here. Thanks a lot. Well, I really apologize about this. Would you like a refund, or would you like to choose another bracelet? I'd like another bracelet, please. A stronger one. What about this one? It's slightly more expensive, but it's a really good one. It's very nice. How much more is it? It's 100 dirhams more, but I only charge you an extra 50. Okay, I'll have that one, please. And I'm sorry about that other bracelet. That's okay. And thanks very much. Not at all. Would you like a box for it? Yes, please.
Oke. Di sini teman-teman bisa buka open your book page 40. So this one is actually taken from the story, from the dialogue from your book. Okay. Number 1. Excuse me. It's definitely like that, yeah. Yes, can I help you? Well, I bought bracelet. Karena di bukunya teman-teman itu tulisannya bracelet. Oke. Last week. Terus, I am afraid there's a problem. You can check this one. You can check the answer from your book, page 40. I am afraid there's a problem with it. Okay. Next. What's that? Katanya. Apa problemnya? Well, the first time I use it, atau the first time I wore it, atau di bukunya teman-teman, the first time she wore it, it broke. Lihat ya, tensesnya di sini kita sudah pakai past. Kenapa? Karena the first time. Jadi udah lewat. Bukan break lagi, tapi pakainya broke. I am terribly sorry. Okay. Have you got a receipt? Please. Yes, here you are. Number 5-nya. Thanks a lot. Okay. Next, you can find the answer from your book. Yeah, because this one is easy. Okay, we continue next page. Let's listen first.
Module 4, Unit 12, Everyday Listening, Exercise 1. Listen to 3 short dialogues and complete the table. Dialogue 1. Can I help you?
Yes. I bought this model car for my son, and when he opened it, there were some pieces missing.
Let's have a look. Right. Have you got the receipt?
Sorry, I can't find it. Oh, here it is.
Would you like a refund, or would you prefer to choose another model?
Have you got the same model car?
I'm afraid that was the only one we had. I could order one for you.
Yes, could you? Thanks very much. He collects them, you see, and he especially wanted that one.
Okay, fine. Can I just take your name and phone number?
Yes. This is Susan.
Dialogue 2.
Can I help you?
I bought this game on Saturday, but it doesn't work on my computer.
Let's see. It says what you need on the cover.
I didn't look when I bought it. Can I change it for another game?
Not really, because you've opened the box and put it in your computer. You can't sell it again.
What? But I've got the receipt.
Here's the minute. That, so you can change it for another game. Make sure you check what it says on the box this time.
Right.
Dialogue 3.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Hope so. I bought this top last week, but when I washed it, the colours ran. Here, can you see? It's gone all pink.
Oh, yes. That's not very good, is it? You got the receipt.
Yes, here it is.
Great. Well, I can give you a refund, or I can change it for another one.
I'll have my money back, please.
Sure.
Okay. So after you listen to the audio, you can fill up the column for each customer about what did the customer buy and why did the customer complain and what is the consequence that the customer get. Yeah, I've answered some, so the rest you can do it. Kira-kira yang customer nomor 2 gimana? Dia dapatnya apa? Pengembalian uang atau pengembalian barang yang sama? Nah, yang ketiga, kira-kira customer 3 beli apa? Terus kenapa dia komplain? Okay. Next, we move to the next one. Okay. Thank you. Grade 9. See you next week. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay fit, and always be grateful. Bye.